Okay, seven figures in 7 years on a shoestring budget. So basically, last video, analyst upgrade, we did that at the beginning of December and showed you exactly what the analyst upgrades were for December. It was the last week of November, first week of December. So basically, the whole idea was to take that information and then use that to create trades for December. Now, let's take a look at how that worked out. Number one, this was the analyst upgrades. Now we did this from value line, so kind of go over. These are the ones going from 3 to 2, but what we decided to take were the 2 to 1s, which basically meant it was going from a 2 to a 1. There's only 100 number ones, so it's a very tight group. So basically, any movement, any bad news from one or good news from a two can actually move one down and move one up. So as you can see, we have only about 5 that actually made our list. Cabot Oil, Eaton Vance, and a couple others. So, but what I want to show you, this is mainly, I like to call this your emotional rescue, because this is taking advantage of the emotional investors, number one. Number two, there are 3 types of money in Wall Street: big money, smart money, and dumb money. So this also takes advantage of the dumb money and big money. So you're on the smart money side when you're taking these trades. Okay, so here's the list. And as you can see, we're only going to go with the ones that moved from 2 to 1. First one on the list was COG, Cabot Oil Company. So we're going to look here at December 5th, December 1st, and I'm just going to get my cursor to work there, and it doesn't look like it is. There we go. So here's the, so this is when you're buying it, because it was the upgrade was from the month of December, it's starting. So as you can see, the 1 week, it went up roughly 10%. So you had a 10% move 1 week, 7 days. So if you had a call option, you would have simply purchased a $22 call and basically went to 24. So that was hopefully 200 bucks that week. Cub, Cubic Corporation, never heard of them and don't care. The only thing I won't need to care about is that it was a 2 and now it's a 1. So let's take a look and see what happened there. Same 10% move. It was trading around 45, 46. Went up to the $50, had about a high of $50 within the week, within 7 days. Eaton Vance, same difference here. We was around about the $40.50 range before the during the upgrade, and then it went up to 44, so another 10% move. So basically, we're batting 1,000. And here's IPAR, another IPAR, like a perfume company maybe, on NASDAQ. Was trading around about 33, popped up to about 36, so another 10% move. Lastly, I think this is the last one. We've gone through 5 so far. JWN, which is Nordstrom's. Nordstrom's went from 56 shot up to 62. Now, the cool thing about this, and this is where smart money is always going to be the one that you want to decide you want to be on. It shot up to 62 in the first week, and all of these did that. But look what happened a couple of weeks prior. Here we are on December 30th, and it went from technically 56 down to 48. All we're doing is playing this little 2 week move. And the way we can do that is simply, number one, you want to do this strategy if you can do a weekly option or an option that's going to expire in 2 weeks, which is really good. As you can see, it's going to be cheaper and you're still getting that great move. So your risk to reward is great. So your 3 to 1 that you're looking for, you get a 1 to 3, 3 to 6, whatever. Um, that is going to be really good. And basically that's it. So you can go hopefully to the other video and you see how we got the information from Value Line, and this is the result. And unlike other videos on YouTube, we're showing you the forecast. We're doing it in the middle, so we show you how it's going to happen, and then come back and show you the results. Okay, and have a happy weekend. And may the force be with you. Have a prosperous new year. Drink a little champagne from me.